Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to get these big, thick curls using only a straightener. If you want to know how to do that, please keep watching because everybody always asks me how I curl my hair and I would love to show you how. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. Thanks for watching. Okay, so you're gonna need a few different products for this. First of all, keep in mind that I washed my hair yesterday morning and I've just had it in this little bun ever since. I haven't blow dried it. I hadn't styled it whatsoever. I did put 3 things in my hair though already. So I washed it and then hold on, my cat's up here. Okay, so while it was damp, I towel dried it a little bit and then I first put this Thickening Styler in here. You can get this from Sally's and it really kind of expands the width of each strand of hair, so it makes your hair look thicker. As soon as it's dry, it looks thicker, and I really love it. I use it when my hair is straight. Like if I were to straighten it, I would still put that in there. Curly, anytime I want it to have like kind of a grip, I can put it in there and it really gives my hair that thick, full texture. After I put the on in there, I went in with this Aveda Pure Abundance, and it's just like a little spray mist. Sprayed this throughout and brushed everything through. This is really good if you don't like to wash your hair every day. It kind of keeps it's almost like a grippy kind of feeling that it puts into your hair, and I don't know, it makes your hair do really good. So this is a must. Definitely, these two are great. And you have to have product in your hair before you style it like I'm about to show you. If you do not have any products in your hair, there's no way this is going to work. The products are going to add thickness, fullness, volume, grip, hold, everything you need for your hair when you want to style it like this. So if you don't want to check out the ones that I use, which I highly recommend both of these, I love them, you cannot go wrong with these, but just grab something from the drugstore or anywhere, just something volumizing or with a hold or something like that. So after those were come through my hair, I then went in with this, it's a Rusk leave-in treatment, and I put this on the ends especially just for some heat protection. That's the only reason I put this in there. So just get any kind of heat protectant and put that on your ends, just because like we're going to be heating up our flat iron pretty hot and you want to protect your hair. So that's everything I put in my hair while it was wet. But we are also going to be using our straightener, of course. This is just a Remington straightener I picked up from Target. I've used it for years and I love it. It's ceramic. It has like a little dial that goes up and down. So if you're going to be using that, you need a fine tooth comb because we're going to be doing some teasing, and you need some light hold hairspray. You probably can't see the label on this, but this is the Aveda air control hairspray, and this is hands down the best hairspray I've ever used in my entire life. I've turned everybody onto this because it's just the best hairspray. It smells good. It's not like sticky, or it doesn't make your hair feel like real stiff or anything like that. It's literally like air coming out, and I would definitely recommend you picking this up if you haven't tried it already. If you don't want to go like the salon route, because you can only get this at a salon, try the L'Oreal Elnet. I used to use that like way back in the day and it worked alright. So just anything with a light hold should work, but if you want like the ultimate I'm telling you, you can not go wrong with this Aveda hair control. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my hair down. I have not brushed it at all today, so I'm just going to run a brush through it real quick. And like I said, I have not washed it since yesterday morning, so I might actually go ahead and grab some dry shampoo and put at the roots. Now that I've done that, you want to section it off. Starting kind of above your ears, just go ahead, maybe like at the end of your eyebrows, just go ahead and take that and put that up top. And sometimes I like to curl all the way to my ends, but a lot of times I just like to keep the ends straight, just for kind of like a more laid back look. So to do that, I'll go ahead and grab the ends and run the straightener through them just so they're nice and straight. So for this first section, I like to just grab it, turn it, and pull it down just like that, and I stop about an inch from the end, and that gives it a nice little curl. Let me zoom you in a little bit. So since I went back with that one, I'll go in with this one, and I clamp, wrap, twist, so the end's coming right through here, and then I just pull it straight down. See that? For the next section towards the back, I am going to tease it a little bit just to make it a little bit thicker at the root. So I'm going to take a section about like this and hold it straight up. And then I'll take my comb and put it about here. And I'll back comb about 8 times. Still, see, I'm holding it straight up. I'll spray with the air control. And then I'll let it down just like that. So now we have this really teased part of the hair. And I'll let that dry for a couple of seconds. And I'll move on to another one and do the same thing on the next one. So whenever I tease my hair, you hold it, you comb through, hold it straight up, like that, and then you give it just a little bit of a spray. Just like that. See how that's all standing up? Okay, at this point, to lock in that volume right there at the roots, go ahead and hold your straightener on it for a couple of seconds. So now I can feel that that's really locked in, and I know that this air control has some kind of technology in it that when heat is on it, it really like bonds to the hair and it's kind of activated. So I know that's not going to move. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn forward this time and curl this piece. And then just pull it down. Stop a bit right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and lock in the tease from this because I don't want to put my flat iron right on like damp product because that's bad for my hair. So once it's dried a little bit, it's locked in. Cool. Now I'm going to straighten it, or curl it. So wrap and just pull it down like that and stop. So I'm going to do this around my entire layer here before I go down to my next layer, and I'm only going to tease about 2 more in the back and curl everything, and then I'll come right back into the same thing as the layers go on. So I've got the bottom layer kind of curled, and it looks kind of crazy at the ends, like the ends are kind of going all which way. That's alright, we'll fix it later on. So now go ahead and get your next layer down. Now, from here back we're teasing, so going about 2-inch thick sections to tease it. Remember, brush it out, hold it straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spray it, drop it, pick up another one. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Air control. Drop. Okay. So now at this point, this side's kind of dry to the touch. Go ahead and seal that tease right on in. So that's sealed. So now that you have all that tease in, you can go ahead and curl it. And I know it might look like a rat's nest up here at the roots, but it's really easy to get rid of. All you have to do is just comb through it with a wide tooth comb or just wash it out. It's not going to be so tangly where you gotta shave your head or anything. And remember, the slower you go, the more curly your hair will be. If you go down through it really fast, it'll just put like a little wave in your hair. See, I did that one slow, and now it's like a really curly curl there. We're gonna shake all these out though. So I'm alright with some curly curls right now. And also too, this will last you a couple of days. If you curl your hair, like say I'll curl my hair today, and I can literally leave it like this for like 2 more days, and it'll be fine because of that dry shampoo I put in there, and also the Pure Abundance. Both of those together will kind of keep it from looking like really greasy or anything like that. So it'll be totally fine to just leave it like this, and then I can be done with it, and I can get up in the morning and just go out the door. I'll probably run a straightener through like around the front and like some pieces, but it'll be totally fine. And if I want to put it in a ponytail, it'll already be like really full and cute looking. So that's why I love doing this like on a Sunday or something before the week starts. Okay, so let's go ahead and get down the next layer, which will be almost our last layer. I'm not going to do my bangs just yet. I'm just going to kind of, that's when you know you've got a problem. Okay, we're just going to keep it moving. Well, we only got 2 sections left. Come on, we can do it. Okay, now that pretty much all of my hair is curled, I kind of like to, I'm trying to do this where you can see it, but toss it under and kind of spray it with this air control. I'm telling y'all, this air control is key. Okay, now find my part. Oh, not right there. Hold on. And then I just kind of shape it to how I want it. The front is looking kind of crazy, kind of like I need to pull it down. Oh yeah, much better. All right, well, I hope y'all liked this video, and I will see y'all next time. Let me know anything that you want to see. I'll try my best to do that for you. So thank you so much. Bye.